How to register FAB Mobile Banking. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you register or log in with your FAB Mobile Banking app. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to install the FAB Mobile Banking on your device. So for that you can go with your Google Play Store or App Store. So I'm opening the Play Store. And now from here you'll have to search the FAB Mobile Banking app on that store. So after you install that, you'll have to just open the application. Okay, so from here you'll have to allow this mobile banking app to make or manage phone calls on your device. Okay, so from here tap on already a customer. Alright, so from here to register for FAB Mobile Banking, you'll have to give your ID or number here. So after you give the ID or number here, you'll have to just check this option, I agree with the terms and condition, and now from here you'll have to tap on this continue option. Okay, so from there you'll have to follow the procedure to verify your identity on FAB Mobile Banking, and from there you can easily access your FAB Mobile Banking app on your device. So in this way you can register your FAB Mobile Banking. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.